With Arata Miki. I'm studying at Kyoto Institute of Technology, master first year. So we preparing for the presentation.
So this space in the corridor, it's called Gallery Moko. And here are some of the students' projects. And during the semester, they present their projects here at least once.
This exhibition of the student work. It's a pencil, and it's very small one. You can see. They have different kind of a pencil that they design.
So the first one will be the barista and the customers, and for the also the same as for the grocery store, we have the shopkeeper and someone who would buy them, and the programming that is essential for daily life of the local people. So first is the cafe, the second one is the service type, which is a barber, and the last one is a grocery shop, and putting them together in one building.
In the historical capital of Kyoto, Machiya organized.
The first thing is create activity in order to provide the new experience of our local shopping to visitors. So it might be made people can walk to every zone joyfully.
In vintage Japanese, for example, noren, chochin, ishidatami. Noren is a cloth to keep off the sunlight or a blind pole. Chochin is Japanese traditional light. For the ishidatami, we can feel history of Japan.
With this approach, so we are going to revitalize the street to be alive again. So what we are going to do is rezoning, create activity, create the co-op redesign and space rental, provide more public transportation. And
so many people don't interest in this area, and there are many elderly people and few young people. But strength is people can buy products by face to face and communicate with shoppers. This is very peace of mind.
Well, I mean, it's quite, very nice presentation. I would say this is very impressive, and you have only a week or so to kind of, study and prepare all this thing with this graphic.
Probably for local people, but this street is very long. So walking to this side and to this side is very hard. So we need to create a attractive point in the end of left side. So do you have any idea to create attractive spot? For example, the end of side is river side. Yeah.
Any idea from the Japanese student? I mean, you could just, if you have any idea, you could just mention it. Think about later and develop it more further. Doesn't mean the end, you could, go on and think about it.
何かに